Ngamurahu ha minwaha ya mahumi mana dokotela Vho-Neil Aggett vho wanala vho nembelela nga thambuseleni ya dzhele ya Jonh Vorster square vha si tsha tshila zwa zwino zwo wanala uri Vho-Aggett vho vha songo tou ḓivhulaha.
I didn't expect such a clear judgment. It's been 40 years since he died. The initial inquest was done under the most awful, intimidating circumstances and exposed the system of torture by security police of detainees. And at that time, that was a revelation. And it had a lot of implications in terms of particularly white South Africans understanding that torture was the norm.
Ṱhoḓisiso dza Khothe dza miṅwaha mivhili dzo wana uri avho dokotela vho tou miliswa tshivhindi.
Having had all the evidence, I've come to the conclusion that Dr. Neil Aggett was killed by members of the security branch. The evidence of Coleman, supported by that of Jabu Ngwenya and Susan Jikelana, is vital. It is clear that something happened between 2200 hours on the 4th of February 82 and 1:30 on the 5th of February. The fact remains that Aggett was assaulted and tortured. The suspects were known to him and he told Sergeant Blom who they were.
Muhatuli vho sola ṱhoḓisiso dza tshoḽa mufu dza ṅwaha wa gidiḓaṱahe fumalombili dze dza vha dzo rangwa phanḓa nga madzhisiṱiraṱa vho Peter Khothe he vha ri ḓo vha dzo sendamela kha u tsireledza muvhuso wa tshitalula.
The magistrate made this disgusting finding, notwithstanding the fact that Aggett, in his statement of the 4th February, complained about long interrogation and lack of sleep, during which he was slapped, electrocuted, and his scrotum squeezed. It therefore boggles my mind how Mr. Khothe came to the conclusion that Dr. Aggett agreed to all that.
Vho sola vhona mapholisa vha tsireledzo he vha ri vho silinga vhuṱanzi sa nḓila ya u ḓitsireledza kha zwe vha ḓidzhenisa kha bulayo ḽa Vho-Aggett.
In accepting the versions of the various police officers, the magistrate made serious errors of judgment. His decision was a product of a conspiracy by the security police to subvert justice.
Khothe yo tshea zwa uri vha vhutshutshisi ha lushaka vha sedzuluse vhoṱhe vhane vha kwamea kha u dzhia vhutshilo ha Vho-Aggett.